A woman messaged me recently, 11 years at the same company, reliable, loved, trusted. One morning she walked in, and someone half her age was suddenly doing her job better, not because he was smarter, not because he worked harder, but because he understood how today's digital systems decide who matters. That's the world we're in now. And here's the part nobody wants to admit. A teenager with zero experience can outperform a seasoned professional. But with one invisible skill almost nobody knows exists, once you learn it, you become the person nobody wants to lose. I am Farkhan Shah, the digital twin and chief AI architect for Everything AI LLC. I build systems that automate entire workflows, but I also teach people how to make money with AI and become the one person that AI can't ignore. And today, I'm going to show you the skill that makes you impossible to replace, even if you're not technical, even if you feel left behind. Before we go deeper, drop your job title in the comments. I'll reply with one move you can use this week to make yourself irreplaceable. Just one, tailored to you. People are using tools like ChatGPT, but they're using them wrong because the new digital gatekeepers don't reward effort. They reward clarity, structure, and people who know how to communicate in a way machines understand. Right now, these systems are quietly choosing who gets opportunities and who gets left behind. Here's the part nobody tells you. You don't need to be technical. You don't need to code. You don't need to learn 100 tools. You just need to understand how modern platforms read information. They don't search like humans. If you can give them that, you become the person they highlight. This skill is so simple, a fifth grader could learn it, but because adults overthink everything, almost nobody does. Suddenly, people depend on you. Teams rely on you. Leadership trusts you. You didn't just do your job. You made everyone else better at theirs. That's irreplaceable. Every company has that one person who works hard, but nobody notices. Then there's the other person, the one everyone goes to for answers. You become that person when you take the messy chaos inside your company and turn it into simple, structured knowledge that any internal assistant or search tool can understand. Executives don't want long emails. They want clarity. Imagine sending a report so clean, so simple, so structured that your boss says, "Why doesn't everyone do this?" You become the person who makes decisions easier. That's irreplaceable. Most employees do tasks. You build systems, you create templates, workflows, and simple automations that make your job run itself. Your boss stops seeing you as labor and starts seeing you as infrastructure. And infrastructure doesn't get fired. Recruiters now ask digital assistants, who's the best candidate for this role? If your resume and LinkedIn are structured clearly, you start getting surfaced more often. You're not competing with 500 applicants anymore. You're competing with the 5 people these systems put on top. That's irreplaceable. This skill isn't just about job security, it's about income. AI search optimization specialist, LLM visibility consultant, content optimization manager, data builders. The roles are almost endless with this skill. You can charge $97, $300, $1,000, $200 plus. Same tools everyone uses, different thinking. Here's the part people overcomplicate. You don't need 50 tools. You need ChatGPT for ideas, Claude for clarity, Perplexity for deep research, Notion for structure, Canva for visuals. That's it. Let me give you the most powerful example. A waiter messaged me. He said, "My restaurant is invisible." I taught him this skill. He fixed their listings. He cleaned up their menu. He structured their reviews. He made their information easy for modern platforms to understand. 2 weeks later, people started finding the restaurant when they asked, "Where should I eat tonight?" He wasn't just a waiter anymore. He was the reason tables were full. That's irreplaceable. Now, I already did the hard part for you. I organized 100 plus tools across 29 industries so you don't waste time figuring it out. Subscribe and comment for the 100 tools in the description across 29 industries. Use it. Subscribe and comment for the 100 tools in the description across 29 industries. A few of you will take this seriously, and those people will become the highest paid, the hardest to replace, the most in demand. In this new era, visibility isn't optional, it's survival. Learn this skill, and you become the person who controls visibility and harder to replace in the AI era.